warm welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 126th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. Vatican City, Brother Zati's sainthood brings together Salesian family world over. Father George Menamparampil reports from Rome.
On Saturday, the 8th of October, ahead of Salesian Brother Zati's canonization, Pope Francis gave a special audience in the St. Paul VI Hall in Vatican City to 460 Salesian brothers from 65 nationalities gathered for the event in Rome. Witnessing the event were some 3,000 members of 28 Salesian family groups coming together from all 5 continents. Salesian brother Artemis Zati was born in Italy and emigrated to Argentina as a young man. Saint Zati, who became a pharmacist and a nurse, was renowned for his care of the sick. Delegations of Salesian brothers from all 26 provinces of the 2 Asia-Pacific regions were present with some provincials at the canonization on the 10th of October 2022. Besides the celebrations in Rome, there was also a Thanksgiving Eucharist in Turin on the 11th of October, with the Rector Major presiding and the participation of the Salesian brothers. Salesian provinces of the Asia-Pacific region joined the celebrations with local events of their own to honor the new saint. And here are a few glimpses from India, Papua New Guinea, Japan, East Timor, and several others.
Father George Menamparampil reporting from Rome. The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. The concluding ceremony marking 100 years of Salesian presence in the Assam missions is to be held on 30th October 2022. Watch it live on Don Bosco Media Network Shillong Television.
The Salesian provinces of Northeast India, which was started with 11 missionaries who began the mission for the growth of the church, education of the mass, promoting vocations for the missions, and the champions of the poor and the homeless, invites you to join their centenary celebrations, which will be held on 30th October 2022 at the Calvary ground of Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Ladnkra. Come and be part of this epic celebration. Come and see the miracle of Mary Help of Christians.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Here's a special feature on Salesian aspirantate of Bombay province of Lonavala.
Here at Don Bosco's Lonavala, we accept boys from class 8 onwards. Our entire focus is on developing them to be apostles, to be Christian leaders, so that when they return back to their families, they are able to honor their parents first of all and take care of them. When they get married, they know how to relate to their spouses, how to bring their children up well. And more than that, we instill in them that they must contribute to the church, specifically to their parish church. So their contribution to the parish church helps the parish to become vibrant.
Don Bosco School and Junior College is run by the Salesians of Don Bosco. The school and college comes under the SSC board. We are blessed to have a well-qualified staff. We not only cater to the academic needs, but also make sure that the students excel in sports and also other extracurricular activities.
Don Bosco himself said, "A Salesian house without music is like a body without a soul." Through the training in music imparted in the band, keyboard and guitar lessons, and the choir practices, the youngsters of the boarding grow in their sense of music. Art brings out the sense of wonder and imagination of the young person. Regular opportunities are provided for them to display their innate creativity and imagination in the boarding. It is Don Bosco who encouraged the young to run, jump and play. Games and sports enhance the growth of their bodies, making them robust and keeping them fit. It also helps them to build up their sportsmanship and team spirit. Cultural programs help them shed their inhibitions of facing the crowd. We encourage the boys to take initiatives and participate wholeheartedly in the programs of the school and the boarding. It develops their confidence, helps them overcome stage fright, and gives them a platform to showcase their talents. With the rise of easy availability of entertainment on the internet and the lure of social media, to which the young are naturally captivated, the culture of reading is steadily declining. We also encourage our boys to develop an aptitude for reading and reflection. We encourage them to read books so that it develops their mind, enhances their capacity to think, and broadens their imagination.
At Don Bosco Aspirantate, Lonavala, you will always find a Salesian assistant whose primary role is to be with the boys from dusk to dawn.
The sole objective of Don Bosco was the spiritual well-being of every young person. In this spiritual well-being, we cater to the needs of the young, their life of prayer, their morning prayer, the Eucharist that they celebrate with life and gusto, the evening prayer, their moments of visit to the Blessed Sacrament, their night prayer, their time spent in adoration. All these pertain to the spiritual well-being of the young.
Don Bosco Lonavala is also an aspirantate and apostolic school. It is also one of the formation houses of the Mumbai province.
Those who join us in class 11 and 12, and some also join us after 12. The training which we give is more towards guiding them to discern their vocation.
Those who wish to join us at Lonavala have to be in contact with Don Bosco fathers and brothers of the Mumbai province for at least 6 months. For the selection, along with the interview, boys have to attain various camps organized at Don Bosco Lonavala.
In case you are planning to join us, you are most welcome to come and have your own experience.
I am Father Blanny Pinto.
I am Father Wellesley Bandia.
I'm Brother Alistair.
I'm Father Ranson D'Souza. I'm Deacon Joyston Machado.
I am Brother Ambrose Montero.
Welcome.
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 Welcome to Don Bosco's Lonavala.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. The show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.